Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking the 2013 Dodge Ram 1500 on level ground 25 feet from a flat wall or garage door. This distance standardizes aim. Set tire pressure to the manufacturer specification and refuel or load the truck to a typical operating condition so the stance is accurate. Gather tools: a Phillips or 7mm socket driver for adjustment screws, a measuring tape, painter's tape, a rag to wipe lenses, and a short flashlight to inspect fast. Measure the center height of each headlight from the ground to the bulb center, and transfer that measurement to the wall with painter's tape, marking each headlight center at the same height. Also mark a vertical centerline of the truck on the wall and vertical lines at each headlight center so you can reference side-to-side alignment. Turn on the low beams and stand back to verify the brightest area of each beam falls near your marks. This verifies that bulbs and beams are functioning before adjustment. Locate the headlight adjustment screws on the 2013 Dodge Ram 1500. Generally use the top screw for vertical aim and the side screw for horizontal aim, accessing them through the engine bay or wheel well as needed. With low beams on and standing at 25 feet, turn each screw slowly and watch the beam on the wall, aiming the brightest spot to sit roughly 2 inches below the headlight center mark and centered inside the vertical tape lines. Finally, road test at night and recheck after 10 miles to ensure the aim stays correct and comfortable for oncoming drivers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.